Here today we are going to talk about the topic pandas data structure. That means panda has some specific way to store and organize the data. And here two ways are given in your syllabus, that is series and data frame. First one is series and second one is data frame. So let us today talk about the first one, that is series. In this you will come to know how to create a series, how to access the data items of the series. Okay, first, what is series? What is a series? You can say series is collection of data in the form of one-dimensional indexed array. Collection of data items in the form of one-dimensional indexed array. One-dimensional means the value in the form of only one row or one column. The value in the form of only one row or one column. That is called one dimension. Okay. So when you have the values in the form of one dimensional array, and that also indexed array, can you remember? Otherwise, array will not be the definition of series. Here in the definition, you have to include indexed array. Indexed array means the values have the index. So that's why series is the collection of data items in the form of one-dimensional indexed array. Okay, means it will have the data values with its index. One-dimensional data values with its index. So can you see here? I am opening the Python screen. Okay, as you all are going to study pandas data structure, so you have to import pandas library. And if you need numpy library, so you have to import numpy also. So let us import first pandas. Import pandas as pd. Can you all see the Python screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then let us import numpy. Import numpy as np. These two libraries we have imported. So you are all clear about the series data structure. What is series data structure?
Yes, sir.
Series is
One-dimensional index
collection
array.
of data items in the form of one-dimensional indexed array. So let us see how to create. See here, I am going to first create an array. Okay. Let us create array 1. Array 1 is equal to np dot range. Np dot range. Let us give the range of value. Let us provide from 1 to 10 at the gap of 2. Okay, means it will create the range of values starting from 1 to 10. Okay, and the gap between the numbers will be 2. That means 1, then plus 2, 3, then plus 2, 5, then 7, then 9. Like this, it will create the value. But less than 10. Okay. In range function, the value is created less than the upper limit. Upper limit is 10. So it will be less than 1, less than the upper limit. So this is your array created. Now you can print array 1. If you print, it will show the values. See what are the values in your array? 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the values. Now let us create the series. Let us create series 1 equal to pd dot series. You know that it is the data structure of panda. So we have to write pd. Here we have imported pandas as pd. So we write pd dot series. Kindly remember, when you write series, the first letter will be capital. In series, while creating series, the first letter will be capital. Pd dot series. Then we want to create from the array. So let us write array 1. From array 1, we are going to create this series. If you want index, you can write the index also. If you don't want, then what will happen? It will by default give the index starting from 0. You can check. If you do not write index property, then it will by default give the index starting from 0. Now you can print series 1 and you see the index by default. Look here. The index by default given from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the value at index number 0 is 1. At index number 1, 3. At index number 2, 5. At index number 3, 7. At index number 4, 9. Okay, this is the way how we create a series by using one-dimensional array according to the definition as I told. Okay, but remember that array is a collection of similar type of data. Your series may be a collection of different types of data. This is the difference between array and series. Array is a collection of similar type of data items. Means if numbers are there, then number only will be there in array. If letters, characters are there, then characters only will be there in array. But in series, you can have the multiple data items. Like here you can see. Instead of writing array, we can also write the values directly. See here how we can again make the same series. Series 1 equal to pd dot series. Now this time I will not write array. I will write directly the values. pd dot series. Then directly the values in the form of list. Like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, like this you can continue. 13 like this. Okay. Then close. Now it is created. Now if you want to put your index, you can write comma, write your own index. You can write your own index in the form of list, like A, comma B, comma C, okay, comma D, comma E, comma F, comma, how many values are there? 3 to 5 to 7. 7. So it is 5, 6, one more. F, G. Then close. Now you see the index will be in the form of A, B, C, D. And the values will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. Okay, now this series has been created by directly giving the values. So if you want to print, you can print SER1 series 1. Look here. Now your index is the defined index by the user.
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, in first series which you have created through array, in that data type is integer 32 and in this data type is integer 64.
Yes.
Is there any difference?
Of course, there is a difference. Here, the array by default takes the data type integer 32. But here we have not given the value array. Here we have given the values directly in the form of list. And these values which are given in the list, they are integer value. Okay, and these integer values have the data type storage as 64. Integer 64. It means integer 64 will have the more range of data items. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Means for integer it is the default 64 one.
Yes, for array the default one is 32 for array. But here it is the list, not the array. We have the list of numbers. Now, see. Now we talk one by one how we can create a series with different objects. So first here given how to create an empty series. If you don't want any values, directly you want to create empty series. So how will you create? So for that we can write series object is equal to pandas dot series and then parentheses. No need to type any value. Directly write pandas dot series empty parentheses. It will create an empty series. Like here, if you want series 2 to be created as an empty series, so you can write series 2 is equal to pd dot series, only parenthesis. No need to type the values. It will create an empty series without any values. Sorry, what, any problem? The default d type for empty series will be object instead of float 64 in a future version. D type explicitly to silence this. Okay. So let us give the D type first, because it is asking that it may be supported in the future version, but in this version it is not supported.
In my it is supporting.
Yeah, we can write D type is equal to int 32.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in book it is given that that empty series type object will have no value having default data type 60 float 64. Then it should take in everyone, na?
Yeah, but the error is given. Na? You can see here having no values just, but here error is not produced as you can see given here. Here it is created. Okay, maybe it is created. Let us check first. Error is given, but maybe it is created. Let us check series 2. Yeah, it is created. Error is given, but it is not the error of your series. It is the error of, it is given that it floats 64 in a future version. In a future version, the default data type of series will be object instead of float 64. Okay. So it is created. Series 2 has been created. Now, what if we want to insert some value in this series, empty series? How will you insert?
There are different ways, like we can create dictionary and we can give directly also.
What we can do?
We can give data in form of dictionary as as you have given now also.
That
For
is
creating list.
to create at the time, na. While creating at that time
Yes.
you give, na. But you have an empty series named as series 2, and in this series we want to insert data value. Then how will you insert? In this empty series
First,
already created, series is already created, empty series. Now in this empty series
हाँ
how will you
तो
enter the data value?
हाँ तो सीरीज लिखेंगे फिर डाटा टाइप फिर मतलब वो जो मतलब सीरीज लिखेंगे फिर इंडेक्स लिखेंगे और फिर जो नया वैल्यू में चाहिए वो लिखेंगे सीरीज का नाम लिखेंगे पहले फिर इंडेक्स और फिर जो वैल्यू चाहिए
You are saying this series 2 is equal to value or index. See, if you try
सीरीज
this,
टू फिर इंडेक्स फिर वैल्यू
what?
सीरीज टू मतलब सीरीज का नाम लिख देंगे फिर इंडेक्स लिखेंगे और फिर इक्वल टू वैल्यूज का लिखेंगे जो वैल्यू हमें चाहिए
हाँ तो यही लिख रहा है ना, सीरीज 2 इंडेक्स 0 इक्वल टू वैल्यू, कौन सा वैल्यू इंसर्ट करना है? मान लीजिए 23 इंसर्ट कर रहा है.
no sir, not like that.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we will give first पहले ही हम लोग लिस्ट बना लेंगे a is equal to list 1 2 3 जो भी हम लोग को डाटा बनाना होगा फिर उसको इंसर्ट कर देंगे एज अ वैल्यू जिससे सेव किए रहेंगे सीरीज के ब्रैकेट.
चलिए बना लेते हैं वैल्यू. a इक्वल टू लिस्ट ऑफ वैल्यूज बना लेते हैं, ठीक है?
यस सर.
1, 2, 3, 4. अब क्या करें?
फिर जो सीरीज बनाए हैं एम्प्टी वाला उसमें इंसर्ट कर दीजिए एक वैल्यू.
कैसे इंसर्ट करें?
ये ऐसा 2 इज इक्वल टू पी डी डॉट सीरीज फिर ब्रैकेट में ए लिख लीजिए.
वो तो फिर से सीरीज क्रिएट करने लगे. फिर से सीरीज नहीं क्रिएट करना है, उसी सीरीज में इंसर्ट करना है. We have to insert in the same series what is already created.
फिर तो लिखेंगे ही ना सर उसको फिर दोबारा दोबारा तो उस सीरीज को लिखेंगे तब ना होगा
हाँ,
इंसर्ट
लिख तो रहे हैं, सीरीज 2 लिख दिए, अब आगे क्या करना है?
इज इक्वल टू पीडी डॉट सीरीज, फिर उसी ए को
If
इंसर्ट कर
you
देंगे।
write pd dot series, that means now you are going to create the series again.
अच्छा, पता नहीं सर, नहीं पता।
We have to write append. There is a function append.
ए
I think list, we have not to provide list. Okay, list providing is wrong. We have to write directly series 2 dot append, then one values we can write, like let us write 11. See, it is saying only series and data frame objects are valid. Cannot concatenate object of type class int. So that means if we have created already a series or already a data frame, then it may be inserted. Let us try that. Let us insert series 2 dot append. We had already created that series 1 na? Yes. It is saying we can insert the data item either from an already existing series or already existing data frame that you can append in a series item, empty series item. We cannot append one values or a list of value. Okay. Why we can append, but remember how can we append? If we create by looping, but here we are not using the loop, we are directly using the console of the Python, not going to use the loop. If you are using the loop, then in the loop method you can traverse through each data item, and that can be appended to a series. That I will tell afterwards. There is a program in the looping that I will tell. But here right now, if you want to insert a value in a series, so you have to write append function, empty series name dot append function. Then you have to give an already existing series or an already existing data frame. Okay. So our already existing series was series 1, and this series 1 we have appended. Do you know the meaning of append? What is the meaning of append? How many of you know?
यस सर, टू ऐड अ वैल्यू इन गिवन सीरीज, और किसी भी चीज में अगर ऐड करना है तो उसको मतलब ऐड कर सकते हैं अपेंड
It's not the
फंक्शन।
correct meaning. कुछ ऐसा ही है लेकिन करेक्ट नहीं है। प्रतीक सिंह,
एग्जिस्टिंग सर एग्जिस्टिंग लिस्ट में वो ऐड होता है, ऐड करने के लिए ये फंक्शन यूज होता है।
लास्ट
अभी
में
भी
ऐड होता
करेक्ट
है।
नहीं है। There is a word that you all are not saying. Append means to
In a particular
add the
list.
items in the end, in the last.
भाई सर बोल लास्ट।
In the end, that is the word which you have to add in the append definition. जैसे मान लीजिए कोई लिस्ट है और लिस्ट में कोई आइटम इंसर्ट करना है लास्ट में, तो अगर लास्ट में इंसर्ट
ओरिजिनल लिस्ट, यस सर,
if we are inserting in the last, then we can say we are appending. But if you are not inserting in the last, you are inserting in the beginning or in the middle, it means that is not appending. Remember this. Append means always insert in the last. So let us see further. Now here you can see empty series object is created, and in the empty series, created empty series, we have inserted the values from already created series. Okay. Now further, what is there? Creating non-empty series object. Non-empty means creating series with the values. Like we can, how we can create non-empty series object with a Python sequence. like Python sequences are dictionary, list, and string. Okay. Sorry,
Yes,
dictionary is
sir.
not there. Dictionary is given separately. It may be Python sequence is array, list, and string. Then we can create from an ND array. ND array means, what is the full form of ND array? ND. What is the meaning of ND?
num अरे
NumPy data type.
NumPy data.
अरे भाई
NumPy
बोलने वाले
data
थे
array.
सर
ND array means NumPy data array. From this we can create, as already I have created. Then from a Python dictionary, we can create from a Python dictionary. From Python dictionary, the keys work as the index and the values work as the data items of series. And from a scalar value means a single value. So let us create one by one. Python sequence already I have told here. Okay, now let us create series number 3. Series 3 is equal to pd dot series. This time we are going to create, suppose from this one, Python dictionary. Let us take Python dictionary. So how we can take Python dictionary? Always remember that dictionary is enclosed within the curly braces. Suppose we have the Python dictionary as in curly brace 0 colon, then the value. Value suppose we have, or let us give another index. Let us have A as the index, colon, value we have, let us 2. Then comma B colon, value we have 4, comma C colon, value we have 6, comma D colon, value we have 8. Okay, comma E, value we have 10. Okay, this is your dictionary. Now close the parenthesis also. Now in this we have index also and the value also. In dictionary we have the key value pair. So keys are A, B, C, D, E. These are the keys. And the values are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So in this dictionary, the keys will work as the index and the value will work as the data item. Okay, this is the method to create a series with the help of a dictionary. See, your series is created. Now you can check series number 3. Can you see the output?
yes sir
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Means the keys are working as the index A, B, C, D, E, and the values are working as the data items 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then we have scalar value. Scalar value means single value. Suppose we are going to create series 4, then write pd dot series, then single value let us provide suppose 45. Then it means only 45 will come. Only one time. But if you want it to come multiple times, then what can you do? You can give index.
Index.
Like if you give index equal to like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now what will happen? 45 will be repeated 4 times with the index. This is the scalar value. Scalar value means single value. Remember the meaning. Scalar value means single value. So now it is the way to create a series with the help of scalar value. Now you can check series 4. See here, 45, 45 repeated for each index. Okay. I hope
Yes,
you all
sir.
have understood how to create series. Any confusion?
yes sir no sir
No, sir.
Okay. So kindly practice all this in your system, computer or mobile. how to create series with different items like Python sequence, ND array, Python dictionary, or scalar value. Practice all these and start learning also. Okay, that's all for today. Let me take attendance, then you can leave.